guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki and today we're going to be drawing a very cute little cartoon cat. So first we're gonna draw a really like U shape that's not too flat. And then we do two curves in to be the cat's ears. Then we do a line to connect the curves. Then we do two little ears in, two like triangles inside, and then we're gonna draw its eyes. That's one big circle, a bit littler big circle inside it, and a little circle. Then colour in the background, black. If you want, you could add some eyelashes. Then do the same on the other side. Do its mouth. Do its mouth. Now do its body. It could be big or small. Do a tail. Do its front feet. It doesn't matter if it goes through. It's just one line, then another line on the other side, a line in the middle, and like ones that look like shoes. Now do something like this on the other side. And now you've finished drawing your cat. Now you could like color it in yourself, or you could just look at my time-lapse video, and then at the end you could copy the coloring. So now, if you want to copy the coloring, you could pause the video and copy it now. Okay, if you like my video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Just like that. This is Nikki, signing out for now.